Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you on how we are going to restrict and unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to go ahead and log into our Messenger account. Once we are here, all we need to do then is to look for the profile who we intend to restrict. So just like for example, this one, all I need to do then is to press the profile icon. And once I am here, all I need to do then is to click the eye icon on the upper right of the screen. And right after that, all I need to do is to scroll down and click here, restrict. So basically that time, we already restricted this account. So if in case that we wish to unrestrict that particular account, all we need to do then is to click the three lines here. After that, we're going to click the gear icon so that we will be routed on the settings. And once we are routed on this part, we need to go ahead and click privacy and safety. And we are going to click here, restricted accounts. At this part, we can see those accounts that we restricted. We are going to look for those accounts. So just like for example, this one, I'm just going to click and right after, I'm going to click here, unrestrict. So basically that account is already unrestricted. That's how we are going to restrict and unrestrict account on Facebook Messenger. I hope this video was helpful. Until the next one.